Hey everyone, thank you so much for attending today's session. I hope you got some value. Please go ahead and practice whatever you've learned. Okay. Now, I had promised you on giving you some templates that you can customize for yourself and send it out to your friends as a part of Friendship Day today. So here you go. I'm showing you how you need to access it, and please do exactly the same. Okay. Don't click on the link and start doing it. It is going to hamper the original template. Okay, let me share my screen and you will know what needs to be done. So here we go. I'll be sending you a link in the WhatsApp group, and as soon as you click on the link, it's going to take you to this screen. Okay, so it says this is a template that is created by me and I have shared it with you to start designing. Okay, so you can go ahead and start updating it with your own elements. Now, I want you to click on use template first. Okay, use template first. Click on that. And the moment you log in, I want you to go and see the right hand side of the screen where it says copy of Happy Friendship Day template. Here, where you can see my cursor, right? My cursor is moving. So on the right hand side, you have download and then share and then try Canva Pro. And now you have copy of Friendship Day template. I want you to click there and rename it to your name. Suppose it is Sonal, rename it to your name. Okay, then only it becomes your template. Otherwise you're going to hamper all the others who are trying to work on that template. So first rename it and then you can start editing. So I've given you 3 templates that you can work on. This is the first one. You can just double click in this and add your name and send it out, or you can drag your photo inside the second one and you can send that out. And this is a card for all the kiddos who attended, right? You can add in your stickers, whatever you learned today, you can add in, and then you can send it out to your friends. How do you send it out? Now there are 3 pages in this and you might want to download each one page separately. Okay, now how do you do that? Click on the download button here and then it says download once again. Click on that, and down if you scroll, it'll ask you whether you have to download all the 3 pages together, which means it is going to download in a zip folder. Okay, you'll have to have a software to unzip it as well. If not, you can download it one by one, single page at a time. So I want to download, let's say for example, the first page. I click on page 1, I checkbox that, and then I say done and download, then I can download it. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Go ahead, enjoy whatever you've learned, get loads of value, and please do tag me on all the designs that you create. I'll be really happy to see whatever your creation is. Okay, thank you so much. Take care and love you all. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.